I Dehradun. I'm living in Dehradun, and recently I am living in Dehradun, and originally I am from village.
Oh, good. So, brother, tell me what are you doing nowadays?
Nowadays, nowadays, brother, nothing special, but just preparing for a exam.
Oh, what what exam?
Yeah, these government exam, SSC, railways, these types of exam. Nowadays, I am preparing.
Oh, good.
Yes. And you,
So,
how's your study going on?
yeah, my study is going very well. And
I
tell me
think
about.
I think you are a 12th standard student.
Yes, you are right.
Okay. I because we have already make a conversation, so I think you are a biology student.
Yes, yes, I have already told you.
Yeah, you because you have already told me. Okay, so what are you doing this time?
Uh, right now I'm present in the field, and I can show you many
Oh,
plants. Yeah,
yeah,
many
it's
clips.
very nice.
Yes. Now I'm present in the field.
Is it your field? All of is it your field?
Yeah, this is my field. I can say this is my farm.
Okay. I can see. So, brother, do you use Camly? Do you use?
Yes, I use Camly.
Okay, so can you tell me about Camly? Uh, so I want to know some special feature of this
Yes,
application.
definitely I will tell you. But right now I can't tell you. I will tell you on WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
I will tell you every information, everything about Camly. And if you want to use Camly, then you can use because this is very good. So brother, tell me something about how is going your preparation about exam.
Yeah, just preparation is going very good, and brother, yeah, preparation is going very well, and yeah, I am trying, I am trying to my level best.
Yeah, yeah, very good. Yes. Okay, so what's about your future plan? What do you want to be in your future?
Yeah, future plan is got a government job.
Government job. So which type of job do you want to get in your life?
Yeah, these types of as a SSC, railways. Yeah, these types of job I want.
Oh, good. Do you have any fixed plan for in your life?
Yeah, fixed plan, nothing, no fixed plan, but just after get a job, I will fix.
It means you are trying to crack any exam, and if
Yes,
you can crack any exam, then you can get the job.
yes. I am trying to crack any exam. After that, I will fix. I will fix. Now I will fix my next target because my first target is to get a job.
Okay, yeah, good. So, brother, could you tell me something besides your preparation about your exam? What are you doing nowadays?
Yeah, nowadays just doing preparation like SSC, railways, and yeah, not not a special preparation, just normal preparation. I am doing that nowadays.
Yes. Nowadays, I'm also preparing for my exam because my exam is near. I'm a student of 12th class.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is very necessary to prepare about our exam because if I will prepare very well, then I can get good marks in my board.
Definitely, you will get good mark if you do your level best.
Yes. So I want to do my best.
Okay, so have you joined any coaching center?
Yes, yes. I have joined coaching center.
Okay. So which subject tuition do you attempt?
Yes, I attend Science Institute. In my institute, yeah, in my institute, I study there about science because I'm a student of
Science,
science.
physics.
physics, chemistry, biology, English, and Hindi.
Okay, so those, so all of these subjects are teach in your student in your coaching center.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, I can get all subjects, and there are many teachers.
Oh, that's nice, brother.
Yeah, for every subject there are many teachers, and they will teach one by one according to their time, according to their routine.
Okay, so can you tell me the time of one subject? One
About an
time
hour.
means
Yeah, about an hour.
about an hour. Okay, it's enough. It's enough.
Yeah, it is enough for an hour.
Okay.
And the name of my coaching is Science Coaching Institute Mirgaj.
Sorry.
My coaching name is Science Coaching Institute from Mirgaj in
Okay.
Kapur.
Okay. Nice. But brother, honestly, I'm telling you, I haven't joined any institute in my life. I haven't go any institute. Yeah.
How did you how did you prepare for your exam?
Yes.
Because
Yes,
you
I prepare by self study. I'm doing self. I also I like to do self study because yes, I like.
you are very great brother.
And when I was in 12th standard, I haven't joined any coaching center and not going and, and not attend any coach any tuition. So, but after that, I was I do self study, and after that, I got 80% marks in 12th.
Oh, good. And self
80%.
study is also very important.
Yeah, I am. Yes, I only do self study when I was in 12th standard. But yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So self study is also important, but I think if I will not join any institute, then I can't handle my all subject and I can't
uh,
study them.
it's every person has a different mentality, different thinking. So you can go. If you are feeling I can't cover all of my subject without any coaching center, then you can join any coaching center. Yeah, any person, though many people are join, and they also got after that they also score good in every score good. So it's not yeah, it's not very bad idea, it's a good idea.
Yeah. It's depend upon our mind. Our
Yeah,
mind.
it's definitely it's depend on our mind. Yeah. uh,
Yes, because if you are good in English, yeah, not in English, if you are good in a study, then you can do self study and you can crack your exam.
when I was in my 12th standard, there are many students of my classmates always went to coaching and tuition. But after that, they will they do not they didn't score they didn't score good. They didn't score good because they also thought I we have joined coaching center, we have joined tuition. After that, we will score good. But it's their mistake, it's their no, it's not that was not a good idea. But yeah, I am the one student of my class who didn't join any coaching center. And in my class, I have scored good. 80, I have scored 80 plus.
Yes, after listening your activity in your past, what did you do? So I'm very happy because you didn't do any class, you didn't attend any class, but now you
Yeah,
are very
I attempted any class, but I didn't join any coaching center.
yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
good. Because if you have power to capacity, if you have power to handle anything, then you can do.
Okay. So yeah. So
So
can you
brother,
tell me in Bihar, when Bihar board, when will conduct every year board exam?
yeah, in February month.
February. So it's
Yeah,
near. It's on your head.
yeah, yeah. It is at my
I,
hand. I can say my exam is at my hand.
yeah, so I think I only suggest you do focus on your study. Yeah, give sometimes give more time to for your main subject. Yeah, I'm not telling not to use not doing practice English, but this because these nowadays it's your exam preparation time, so you should prepare very well.
Yes, brother. Yes, uh, you are telling right, and I don't mind because your suggestion is also good for my exam. Because if I will focus about my exam, then I will get good marks.
Okay. So, you know, you have already told me I have create a mistake because I don't like science subject. You have told me already, I think.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Because when I came in my 11th class, so that time I wanted to be a doctor. But
Okay.
after passing 1 year, when I came in my 12th class, so I have no interest in science because now I don't like science. But what can I say? I have to attend my exam and I have to clear. But after completing my 12th, I will do my graduation by English subject.
Okay, yeah. So I think you have not any person didn't guidance you. So it's yeah. Without
Yes,
any guidance, you have make this mistake.
yes. No one guided me well as a student in 11th class. But
No,
now,
no problem. No problem. You can after 12th you can choose your favorite subject. There is no any other issue.
yes, I will choose English because English is my favorite subject. And if I will do a study by English subject, then I will get good marks.
Yeah, you can definitely get good work. Good work. Okay, so have you take your lunch?
No, I haven't taken my lunch. But after talking to you, I will take my lunch.
Definitely, I will. I
And
will
you,
take my lunch around 1 p.m.
oh, around 1 p.m. Yeah. And our time is also near.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, brother. So I think we should we should cut our call. Okay.
Ah, okay, so bye, brother. Have a nice day.
Okay. Thank you,
Nice to,
brother. Thank you.
yes, nice
Glad.
to talk to you, brother.
Yeah. Talk to you too, brother. Bye.
So thank you, brother, for giving your precious time.
Okay. It's my pleasure.
Okay.